Hello guys, good day. This is Cynthia from Focusun Réfrigération. I'm in Focusun factory and our engineers is testing the tube ice machine. Let us to have a look. Now our engineer Mr. Yang will show you how to use our Smart APP system. The user can press the start on the phone and then the machine will start. The machine is start ice making. You can see the touch screen in the first start making, and working condition and standard information will be shown on the touch screen. And you also can get the information on our Smart APP. Now let our engineers to check the eyesight. This ice diameter is 35 mm. When engineer press the stop, and then the machine will stop. You can see here, stop. Then the machine will stop working. Here is the testing of our 1-ton tube ice machine. If any interest or question, welcome to contact us. Bye, have a good day.